I finally figured out how to take this thing apart. I was always scared to jack it up, but anyway, it works pretty good. We'll get her clean. Today I'm tearing apart my 12 gauge. Went pheasant hunting. I'm gonna clean it. Cut the barrel off. Anyway, we're gonna do that. Okay, so we got this stuff that bore cleaner. I haven't shotgun for a few years. Used to love to hunt. Kind of haven't done it so much lately. So I got older, but got some grandkids that like to hunt, so went pheasant hunting the other day. Enjoyed that. I really like doing that. Went to this little ranch. I can't remember the name of the place. It's down in Levan, south of Nephi. Pretty dirty. I probably shot 10 or 12 shots. It was fun. Okay. Now, if I remember right, I think I'm supposed to just put this in through to clean out the cleaner. And then I'll run another one through with a little bit of oil in it. I don't want it to rust. Get the barrel here. Yeah, when I was a kid and I'd clean this, I was scared to take it apart because I thought I'd mess it up, because I did once. I had to take it to a gunsmith and it was there forever. So I thought, I gotta be careful now. Yeah, there's just wiping it out. It's pretty dirty too. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on one now. Patches. Well, I better get the lid on this before I spill it. Okay, the oil. The oil's been leaking a little bit. Kid, it looks like. It's got on the outside here. Alright, let's see if I can figure this out. I think it's not so much child resistant as old man resistant. Getting the cap off. A few drops on here. Not do too many. Thread this through there. Now, a lot of times they have a steel brush that comes with these kits. I didn't get one with this. I don't really like them a lot. I think if your gun's really bad, the barrel's really bad, and I feel like it scratches it too much. Yeah, that baby is shiny. This gun's have been pretty well taken care of. We used it. We've tried to keep it clean it when we can, but that's after running the oil through it. I actually think I'm going to do one more with some oil on it. Okay, that looks good. Still got a little more off there. So I like to use a little bit of oil on the butt of the gun, shine it up. I think this is a Remington Model 50. My dad's. He's passed away quite a few years ago. I've had it ever since when I was a kid. He gave it to me. I think I was 16. But I've always liked this gun. It has some sentimental value, obviously. But yeah. Pretty heavy gun. Doesn't kick a whole lot because of the recoil goes into it's a semi-automatic, goes into the action. So it's pretty nice that way. I always get scared if you get a 12 gauge that's really light, doesn't have a recoil pad on, then you're asking for a sore shoulder for sure. Anyway, this looks pretty good. Get all this oiled up. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna put this back in. It's gotta go a certain way, so I can figure out if I can get it in the right way. Go. Goes in. Put the barrel back on. Get those holes to line up there with that on the plug there. Magazine, I guess you call it. go a certain way or it won't go on. There we go. Now, let's see here. Well, I must have done something right. It didn't jam. So that's a good thing. You know the old saying, even a blind duck finds a kernel of corn once in a while. Okay, that looks pretty good there. I'm going to use this microfiber cloth on it now. I've got the oil and stuff on it. I always keep these little, I don't know what they call them, is it the silicate or silicone little bags that absorbs moisture. I keep them in my gun cabinet so it doesn't get rusty in there. Keeps the moisture out. Anyway, that looks pretty good. I think I set it down in the dirt. The butt of the gun the other day. Kind of looks, got a little bit of dirt on it. See if I can just put a little bit of oil in there and get it off. Okay, got her all shined up, looking good. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.